I'm Tyler Metcalf, the president of our Communications Solutions division within Oldcastle Infrastructure. We've designed and developed a product called Duralite. Duralite is a sustainable yet innovative solution that combines recyclable materials with lighter weight and higher strengths to be able to improve install speeds while really driving improved safety for our customers at the same time. The unique attributes of Duralite really begin at the level of material science and the investment that we've made into the sustainability of the product. Now, this is a product that is combined with a high content of recyclable raw materials. It's also a product that's fully recyclable. That's helping our end customers achieve their sustainability targets, as well as it's really helping the installation contractor have a lighter weight material to improve job site efficiency and install speeds, having a safer product that they can maneuver and install with higher strengths and tier ratings to be able to service long-term life cycle performance for the end customer. At the end of the day, this is a product that fits better efficiency targets, better safety targets, and it is a more sustainable and innovative product compared to any other solution that's on the market.